Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about coding, introduction to coding. So what is coding? Coding is also called as implementation. Implementation or coding means writing instructions using any suitable programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. What is an instruction? Instruction is just like a statement. A set of instructions are called as program. A set of programs are called as software. So ultimately, software means a set of programs. Set of program means set of instructions. So ultimately, uh, coding means writing instructions using programming languages. Coding is one of the important phase in software engineering process. The previous phase for coding is design, and after the coding there will be two phases. One is testing, after that maintenance. The main goal of the coding is implementing the design in the best possible manner, because design is the previous step for coding. So implementing the design in a best possible manner, whatever the designer has specified in the design document, that has to be implemented in a clear manner. That is the main goal of the coding. Not only implementing the design in a best possible manner, the another major goal of the coding is it should not affect the next phases like testing and maintenance. It should not affect them, because the reason is, if any technical errors or technical issues after the completion of software production, after complete building the software product, if any technical issues happens in coding phase, means obviously it affects the testing phases and maintenance phases. So it indirectly leads to uh, financial loss, or I mean to say cost, in testing and maintenance phase. So testing and maintenance cost will be higher if any technical issues happened in coding step. So coding affects the testing and maintenance. So as testing and maintenance costs are high, aim of coding activity should be to write code that reduces them. So coding phase has two goals. One is implementing the design in the best possible manner, and the second one is as much as possible try to reduce the testing and maintenance cost. Goal should not be to reduce the coding cost, but it should reduce the testing and maintenance cost. So make the job of tester and maintainer easier. So this is the concept of coding. Coding means writing instructions using any suitable programming languages, and it has two goals. One is design, implementing the design in the best possible manner. uh, Means implement the design, whatever specified in the design document, implement the same, means implement the design in a best possible manner, and it should not affect the testing and maintenance phase. Yes, code is read a lot more. So code should have two important features. One is it should have a readable, it should be readable, and it should be understandable, because it should be understandable to the others, and it should be in a readable form, so anyone can read easily and anyone can understand easily, because code is read a lot more. Sometimes coders themselves, they read the code many times for debugging and extending, etc. Maintenance spend a lot of effort reading and understanding code, and other developers also read code when they had when they want to add to exist when they want to add something to existing code. So code should be written. It is easy. It should have it should have a readable and understandability. It should be readability and it should be understandability. Easy to read and easy to understand, because code is read a lot more. So that's why it should have two features. One is readability and understandability. So that is a good practice of writing the code. So coding, it should not. The aim of the coding, it should not be a giving only solution to the problem. It should follow some good practices. So easy to read and easy to understand. So other important factors in coding is it should minimize the effort. It should minimize the human effort. Like it should not affect the testing and maintenance phase. So it should make the tester and maintenance job easier. So it should minimize the effort, human effort. It doesn't consume more human effort, and minimize size. It should minimize the size. Minimize size means the software size. Of obviously, as software size increases, obviously it occupies more memory. It consumes more memory. So minimizing the memory and maximizing the clarity. So maximizing the clarity means maximizing the output clarity, maximizing the input clarity. So maximizing the program instructions clarity. So coder, while writing the code, the coder should keep all these factors in mind. One is minimizing the human effort, minimizing the software size, minimizing the memory, but maximizing the output clarity and input clarity and program clarity. Programming principles. One is writing the simple instructions. Uh, Writing simple instructions so anyone can easily understand, anyone can easily read it, and no bugs or no errors. And the programmer has to develop it quickly to keep productivity high. So writing simple code so anyone can easily understand and read it, and anyone can easily manage the code, and should not have any bugs or technical errors. And not only this, the programmer has to write the programmer has to develop it quickly to keep productivity high. So while writing the program has to keep many factors in his mind. So one is budget, one is time schedule, one is program schedule. I mean to say software timing schedule, and everything should be finished within a budget and within the time limit. And not only budget and time limit, that should have a readability, and it should have understandability, clarity. There should be a clarity, and there should not be any bugs and errors. So these are the good programming principles. Thank you.